Hello, my name is Andrea Navarro and I'm studying the career of Industrial Engineering, and currently I am a trainee at Nissan Mexicana in Research and Development section and in Vehicle Project Management area. Specifically, I'm working with Central Project. So talking about specific learning acquired, first of all, it is my first job in such a big company. So therefore for me it was an experience, since knowing all the policies, requirements, mission, vision about the company. On the other hand, one of the greatest lessons which I learned and I'm continue learning is about how the entire automotive industry works. All the parameters and suppliers, OEMs, logistics, government in order to achieve the final customer. Something else about what I learned is to understand how the organization works internally, specifically talking about my department, my teamwork, how the tasks are divided into each engineer and which responsibilities are part from each engineer. Also talking about the activities I take care day-on-day basis is, and which I learned more, is how a large-scale project is developed, starting from where you want to go or to achieve, what is the main objective, the main task, all the activities involved directly and indirectly in order to achieve the project specifications and to be carry out this project in a timely manner and complying with all the quality and cost required. So talking about the obstacles that have been presented to me and how I faced it, the first obstacle I want to share is, as I already mentioned, is my first job in such a big company. So the first day is try to localize myself internally. It was a big challenge. But with the help of human resources and people who always support me, I managed to adapt quickly. The second obstacle that I face is, in such a large company, there are people from different nationality and of course from different cultures. So due to Nissan is a Japanese company, most of the foreign people is Japanese. So step by step I try to talk with some Japanese engineers and they show me what to do and what not to do to understand better Japanese culture in order to have better understanding with Japanese people. So third obstacle that I want to share is that you really have to put in practice your English. And it's not the same English that you learned from school. It's a technical and business English which you have to put in practice. And not only talking with native people that speak English. As I mentioned, from different cultures such as French people, Japanese people that does not have a clearly English. So step by step I try to talk as much as I can English in the company in order to practice more. So now I understand more technical English, like some parts from the vehicle or some tests that you need to put in the vehicle, and also business English that I learned from purchasing team, for example. And as last obstacle that I would like to present is that I am the youngest person in the department. And I think in the company I don't meet someone that is younger than me. So the first time I present in a meeting, it was kind of they don't take me so much into account and the information that I sent and something, it was a bit complicated because they don't take my task so seriously. But now they understand my responsibility and how I work and how I've been learning. So it's for me better that they recognize my work. Now for significant achievements. As part of the achievements that I have had, first I want to emphasize what I already mentioned. At the beginning, because of my age, I was not taking into account so much. But for me, it was an achievement that due to the effort that I have put in my work, now it recognizes me like for some other tasks, some more responsibilities, and for some activities, my direct boss takes me like his right hand to make these activities. And speaking of the department, they know me better and they know the effort I put into my work. On the other hand, a great achievement for me is that I really have some meetings on my own. I already have the necessary knowledge to carry out these meetings, so for me it's a big responsibility and a big task. And at last, the greatest achievement that I have had is that I am the first trainee in making a milestone for the project. Due to policies of the company, I'm not able to present that, but I'm the first trainee of making this material to present in this milestone, and they recognize me the preparation of this material.